Hello beautiful guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables, and today we have something truly special to share with you. We are dreaming in the world of elegance and style with the most beautiful necklace designing for women. Before we dwell in the details, just take a moment to the end timeless beauty of the stunning piece. It's more than just a necklace. It's a statement, a work of art that enchants the neutral beauty of every woman who wears it. What makes this necklace so special for you? Let's take about it is a factors. First, the intricate designing. Notice the delicate details that make these pieces truly unique. The combination of adds a touch of glamour and charm. Now let's see how this beautiful necklace elevates an outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or adding a touch of luxury to your everybody look. This piece complements your stylish outfit lashes. One of things I love about this necklace is it's very beautiful. It's not just for formal Immerse. Pair it with a simple blouse or a classic black dresses and you are ready to turn heads wherever you go. It's a timeless accessory that transcends trends. But not just take my word for it. Let's hear with some of your lovely customers have to stay about this expensive with this beautiful necklace. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What do you think about this gorgeous necklace? Do you have a favorite piece of jewelry that holds sentimental value? Share your thought in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us today on Fashion Fables. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more fashion and beauty content. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay beautiful necklace design.